Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Play Store cannot update app. The first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure that it is not a connection issue. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device, which mostly resets your network settings. The other thing you can try and do is head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, scroll down to find Google Play Store, tap on Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Store. If still this does not work, what you can try and do is you can long press on the app that you're trying to update, uninstall the app, and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. One thing that you need to make sure of is that you have enough storage space. For that, head over to settings, tap on storage, and make sure that you have at least 2 GB or the storage space required by the app available. If not, then you can delete any apps, videos, or images that are unnecessary on your phone. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.